In prime-time news this evening, Overseas Examination Council to commence investigation into exam cheating scandal at Steertown Academy. Portmore residents debate parish status proposal at a special town hall meeting. And policeman found dead in Westmoreland community.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, it's Wednesday. You know what that means. It's our gas prices update. And guess what? You want to stand by because right after Primetime News, I'll advise you'll go to the gas station. I'll give you the details later.
And Jermaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Giovanni. Well, it seems the new permanent West Indies head coach could be coming from outside of the region. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. In this newscast. But before the break, we have the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, in light of fresh concerns about a surge in COVID cases, how are you protecting yourself?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam 1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.